Having a spyware app installed on your phone can lead to a lot of vulnerabilities. An example of such vulnerabilities is someone being able to record audio from your phone microphone when you are not on a call. Let's see how that can be done. To demonstrate this, I have installed a spyware app called TrackView on the phone on the left, and I set it to audio recording only. The said spyware app can help you access the camera as well, but we have already talked about that in a previous video. Once the TrackView app is installed on both the target phone and the monitoring device, the two devices need to be logged into using a single Google account to create a link between them. The two devices also have to be connected to the internet, either via Wi-Fi or mobile data. It becomes very easy to access the microphone of the target device and record audio from it. Once this is done and the TrackView app on the monitoring device is opened, it's called TrackView if the device is an iPhone or HomeSafe if it is an Android device. Now, once the necessary permissions have been given and the device has been logged into, the devices linked with the logged in Google account will be listed on the app's interface, so you select the target device that you want to access. Available device is showing on both screens. So this one, I'm going to turn this off. Let's clear the memory. Nothing is running. And then we do the audio from the target device will come streaming into the monitoring device and it can be recorded. The smartphone was designed to increase user convenience and provide a portable computing platform. But at the same time, it opens up a whole vista for cybersecurity issues that users have to be conscious of. Now, my recommendation remains: always check your device and get rid of apps that were not installed by you. If you allow such apps on your device, you might sooner or later become a victim of one form of attack or another. To further support this channel and help us continue to make more insightful videos, click on the join button below. And if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video.